Hi everyone, I'm Shivangi Agrawal, your law mentor. This video is relevant for all the CMA inter students जो June 26 में एग्जाम देने वाले हैं. In this video, I'm going to share and tell you something that can actually change your results. Some students call it a cheat sheet, some say कि shortcut आ गया पास होने का, but I call it a smart approach. When you are in the last phase of revision, it's very important to study strategically and not randomly. Especially for some students who are actually struggling to finish the syllabus, it might be very difficult to study everything and revise everything. तो इस समय मैं एडवाइस करती हूँ कि रिवाइज द रेलिवेंट थिंग्स मल्टीपल टाइम्स. This has been helpful and I'm sure it will be. But before I proceed, एक disclaimer देना बहुत ज़रूरी है because जिस intention के साथ मैं ये वीडियो लेके आई हूँ, that intention should be conveyed properly because I cannot come here and misguide my students. तो बहुत ज़रूरी है. I am in no way encouraging you to study or revise only this content. In fact, I never do selective study. Is absolutely a big no from my side always. आपको स्क्रीन पे भी दिख रहा होगा इधर disclaimer है ना. But I want you to revise in the sequence given, giving importance to the topics I have mentioned, and make sure you know well how to present these provisions and what is the core content of these provisions. Okay. Or even if you feel you're very late, even if you feel your preparation is not perfect, you still have the time to turn things around by adapting to the smart approach. Okay. So you can skip a few trivial, very trivial, unimportant topics, but make sure you do not skip or miss these. ठीक है, तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स फॉर सीएमए इंटर लॉ जून 26 एग्जाम्स की एक लिस्ट है. मैम किस सीक्वेंस में हमें चैप्टर्स को रिवाइज करना चाहिए? आई वुड सजेस्ट द सीक्वेंस दैट आई हैव मेंशन. जैसे अगर आप सबसे पहले इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट को रिवाइज कर रहे हो, दीज आर द टॉपिक्स जिनको आपको स्पेशल ध्यान देना चाहिए. दैट ओके, आई शुड actually know the entire provision and I should be able to write these provisions well, and I revise the entire ECA. Maybe I can leave a few very unimportant topics या जिसमें बहुत struggle करी हूँ या जो मुझे बहुत difficult लग रहे हैं या जो multiple times करने के बाद भी मुझसे याद नहीं हो रहे, but make sure उसमें से कुछ ना हो. ठीक है, once you are done with that particular chapter, Companies Act में जाओगे. Companies Act को मैंने actually दो part में divide किया है, just considering the importance, right? So थोड़ा सा analysis करके past year trend, what has been asked, what is expected, right? कहाँ पे बहुत frequently asked questions होते हैं, तो उन सारी चीज़ों को analyze करके we prepare this list, right? So it is a thoughtful evaluation and try to study as much as you can but give importance to these, right? तो pass होने के लिए कुछ different नहीं करना है, it's just doing the right things again and again. So it's very important कि ऐसे हम 100% पढ़ लें और 100% पढ़ के 100% एग्जाम में भूल जाएं. इससे बेटर है कि हम कुछ 90% पढ़ें जो बहुत रेलिवेंट है और उस 90% को याद रखें, और मे बी इवन 80%, राइट? सो स्टार्ट टुडे, stay consistent, revise smart, and I'll see you in the next video with some more guidance. Stay tuned, and of course, a lot more is on the way. Thank you.